Guys, I see him when I cast my line. See, kind of get a little bit rough now. Outside, you know? Yes. Yeah, man, people. Outside, look. My dinner. Look, my dinner, people. I'm looking my dinner. I'm looking my food, guys. Yeah. Well, go on. Welcome to the channel if you're just joining the channel. Yeah, remember to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment where you're watching from. Yes, the people outside, you know. Yeah, so I'm up on the seaside. I go and chill out a little bit so I can catch. About an hour now I'm there, guys. I just decided so I will bring on up on the journey. Yeah. So stay tuned. Watch out, go on. Stay up on a little rock sitting. Yeah. Still out there, try to hunt it, you know, people. Yeah, man, if you know which part, just comment in the comment section, you know. Guys, I can't even show you when I'm casting out this line. I don't have any strap for this camera. Yeah, but we're still out here at it, you know. At it with people. Only for fishermen out to sea there. Yes, the people. Fresh in the morning outside, you know. Through the line. Right on the seaside. Check out the rock stone there. People are on one bridge me there right now. I get no pick so far. I'm getting no pick. Next time I have to bring the strap for the camera. Show them more. People, I just one pick. I just need one pick today. One pick. It's one pick alone, okay, guys? Still out up on the rock stone sitting. People, let me show you the fly I use right now. I'll show you the fly I use. Yeah. Point of view. I have to just go on some point of view shot, guys. Check out these point of view shots. Oh, people. People, how many each one? People, I don't know. Because I line each one something or I get a pick, I don't know. But it now move, guys. Guys, I have to pause the camera and look what I go on, because I don't know what I go on, so. False alarm, guys. Yeah, check it out. These are the bait I use. Yeah, these are the bait that I get. I just try them out. You can see. I cut that one because I don't want to use it so long. Some long bait, you know, guys. Yeah, I'm sure the portable type of bait, guys. You get them in some different colors like this. See? So I'm just try out this one. But it's a false alarm, guys. I itch up. So I cast out back again. Out there again. So I'll go on there. But in the water again, my peeps. Water again, guys. Still at it, still at it. Still at it, my people. Yeah. Make it go and float, make it go and run, guys. I'll put you again, guys. Right out the sun. About an hour and a half now, guys. Still at it. Yeah. Patient is the key, though. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Guys, I stay I see him when I cast my line. See, kind of get a little bit rough now. Look at that. What all splash me up there. A little bit rough now, guys. Still there, I go and cast my line, you know. Hopefully I can catch something. Hopefully I can catch a jack or a parrot or a snapper. Hopefully, but you see rough now. Water change. Rough waters, guys. Still there. Still there. Cast my line. Hopefully we can get so. So if you are watching the video, make sure you subscribe, you know, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. Yes, guys. I'm water all with me up on my feet. They up on a rock sit down. They up on a rock sitting and water start cage me now, so you know say. See again. Bad. Yeah, at it same with my people. Water get rough and rougher. Still out here now, but guys, you know what I want. I call it a loss today now. Nothing today. But really, you know, we're there about 3 hours now, guys. 3 hours. Still no catch a thing. Yes, I have to go for plan B for my dinner today. Alright, stay tuned. Watch your boy. Food still have to eat. Real me I reel up and now we not eat. Yeah man, I reel up and now. Reeling back the people, water get rough. Come back next time, you know. See you get busy now people, see you get busy. Busy, the sea get busy, guys. They are reeling back. No catch nothing today, guys. See the bait there. So I cut through them monka here and go back through. Yes, man, I pay a maca bush now. Pay a maca bush, pay.